You look amazing!
Thomas, I don't want to do it. I'm covered from buffer to buffer. I look ridiculous. I don't want anyone to see me like this.
Oh, you're just nervous, Shankar. Everyone's so excited to see you, and you're all dressed up now. So you might as well get out there.
Firstly, congratulations to all the entrants. Every year the costumes seem to get better. It's been a very tough contest, but we have made our decision. And I can reveal the winner of the fancy costume contest is Shankar!
Congratulations, Shankar. I knew you could do it. Do the Shankar shimmy! Shankar shimmy! Shankar shimmy! Shankar shimmy! Shankar shimmy!
Come on, Shankar. You can do it.